Hey everyone, Scotty with Dallas Sound Guys. Wanted to make a brief networking video because I think networking can get pretty deep. I'm no expert in networking, but when it works, man, it's awesome. On my right hand side here is a rack that I use for my video switching. I have a Blackmagic Design Constellation 2ME. That is connected to the switch. Why do I have a switch here? Well, there's a couple other things in there. There's a hyperdeck and there's some other things that can be connected. On the bottom here is my X32 rack, where that is connected through network to the network ports on my Axient Digital. I believe I have it set up. It's not set to Dante and control. I think everything is just control. And then that's also connected to my dual receiver. I have my quad Axient receiver and my dual receiver. Those are connected to this guy. This is a router. What does this say? GL.iNet, I believe. I gotta tell you, this little router is something that I've been looking for, such that through a USB cable, I can plug my phone into it, not just for the simple charging feature, but what happens is, because when my phone is connected through this USB lightning cable to the router, it also then sends internet. And I gotta tell you how many times on my laptop, someone needs a song, someone needs something, they have to send me an email. Maybe there's a video, a graphic, I mean, you know, that's going to be like used for just some sort of information up on the video screen, and I need to get it into the media file or the media pool on the switcher. I'm able to receive internet into my devices if I'm using an iPad, if I'm using a laptop to control things. And honestly, it all plays nicely together. I don't know how many things you can actually put on a single network until you run into problems, because I do have video, I do have wireless, and I do have control of my mixer all on the same network. But I'm able to, on a laptop, control my switcher. I'm able to, on my iPad, control my mixer, and on either or, I'm able to pull up Wireless Workbench so that I can just monitor what's going on with the mics. That's a pretty simple setup here that I don't quite need all of that, but it is possible, and you don't have to have separate networks. You do a much larger show, yeah, you should separate all of that. In any case, I just wanted to share that info with you guys. I think some of these tools that we use are just so amazing and so helpful to get information and control in the touch of your hands. So that's it, man. Just some quick network stuff that it's okay, in my experience, to have video switcher, my mixer, and my microphones all on the same network, and no glitches, no problems. It works. And how about yourselves? At what point have you possibly gotten to a show that it's grown to a point where it's too much, there's too much data bouncing around, or you just need to keep things separate? Again, at this show, I don't have a graphics person, I don't have a video person, I don't have a separate audio person. This is a 45-person event. I'm gonna be running all that myself, and it's super simple. So yeah, you could have different networks if you're having a large setup, but tell me your stories. Tell me your networking stories, how you're using things, how you're controlling stuff, because I didn't even mention lighting. There's no lighting at this event. Any questions? Leave comments below. Something else a topic you'd like to hear about, let me know, and we'll catch you on the next one.